see what we find when we get there. Alright, so customer states where that bucket back there was water coming. But that has nothing to do with the furnace or the air conditioning since it's all over here. And then I found this gas cock turned off. The blower's operating. We turn this on. We'll have flame. We got an igniter going. Gas valve. Now we have flame. Everything's working on the furnace. We're going to watch it run for a few minutes and then we'll be out of here. Alright, so like I said, the gas valve was shut off when I got here, so I put a valve tag on it, indicate what it is for. I don't know if the customer thought it had to do with the water leak somewhere. There was some water leak back here somewhere. He said by that bucket. I'm not too sure. I'm not here for that. He has another company coming out for the water leak. But I got an indicator tag, gas furnace, so that they don't shut it off again. I've been watching this unit run for quite some time now. Nothing wrong with it. Putting out 120-degree air. We had like a 43 degrees temp split, so everything's operating properly with the unit. Alright guys,